Good morning, friend. Keep those eyes closed for just a few more minutes. I'm going to ask you some questions for you to visualize in your head. To get the most out of this practice, listen to it every day for 21 days in a row. Are you ready for an amazing day? Like the best day you've ever had? The best day anyone has ever had? I hope so, because it is going to happen whether you're ready for it or not. You know how I know it's going to be a great day for you? Because you, yes, you, are the star of the show. And I know that you are a very powerful creator. You create every thought, feeling, and experience you want to create every day. You are going to do the same today. As you go throughout the day, I know you are going to choose the thoughts that serve you the most. You will not allow negative thoughts to just sit in your brain for very long. You will see that thought and say, "Hi, negative thought. Not today. Okay, bye." You are not going to allow those negative thoughts to ruin your amazing day. And that is why you are powerful. You know that you are not your thoughts. You are much more powerful than your thoughts. I want to hear about your amazing day. Time is an abundant resource, so take as much of it as you need. As you prepare for your day, what do you want to wear? What do you want the day to look like? And finally, what do you want to feel today? Since you are super powerful, you know that all you have to do is give yourself permission to feel that feeling. You do not need any people or objects to give you that feeling. You can create that feeling within yourself just by changing your thoughts and perspectives. You can do this at any time you want. Before you go on with your morning, write down 3 things you are going to permit yourself to think or feel today. I'm so excited to hear about what you create today. I love you, and go make this day yours.